Hello, welcome to the HeyGen tutorial on our HeyGen channel. Today we'll be exploring how to use HeyGen Custom Avatar Lite to create evangelist videos that can help your product tutorials and marketing promotion. Evangelist videos can help you reach your goals. They build trust and credibility with potential customers. Secondly, they create emotional connections and foster loyalty by evoking emotions and creating personal connections with your audience. With Custom Avatar Lite, it enables your brand ambassadors to easily create custom avatar videos for product tutorials, release news, product showcases, and more. This means you won't need to worry about creating daily updated videos at a high frequency, which saves time and reduces production costs. You can easily create the video playlist or content library by using the Evangelist video series, building up your branding asset, and making the audience and products more closely connected. Once your video is complete, you can share it on any platform, including YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, etc. Don't wait any longer. Try it now and see the impact.